Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're going to show you if you have a Ford Focus guys, third generation. This one will be the MK3 generation 2012 to 2017-18. We'll show you how to remove and replace the ABS traction control fuses. Okay, those fuses are very important fuses guys, and you can get the ABS light, traction control light as well. So you have three fuses that could cause that. Stay with us and we'll show you which ones. Now we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos and hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Now you need to go ahead, open your hood, okay, and after that we're going to support the hood. Okay, let me go ahead and grab a small screwdriver now. I need a small screwdriver here. And next we'll need to go ahead and open, okay, the fuse box. On the back side there is a clip that you need to pull back. Okay, and it will come loose. Move that cable a little bit so it can come out. Okay, this is the clip that you need to pull back. Okay, so you can get it out of the teeth. Now we have three fuses for the traction control and ABS system, not just one, you have three. And if you look under this cover right here, this will be fuse number 7, 8 and 19. And you can see on the back side of the fuse box, they're numbered 7, 8, 19. They're not in a row. So this is 7, 8 and there is a small fuse which is fuse number 19. So with a small screwdriver, or I'll recommend plastic tools, not screwdrivers around the fuses, go ahead and open that cap open. Now from that point on, you can see right here if the fuses are burnt or not. And let me show you now. Okay, you can see this fuse is for the traction control and ABS, and this one as well. If it's burned, that copper wire on the inside, this copper wire will be burnt. There will be a hole. You will need a screwdriver to pry them out. Pretty much you grab them and pull them, but it's limited room because they're in the box. Okay, kind of like, okay, this one here. Just wiggle it and you move them. That's how long they are. You can find the replacement fuses that we use guys in the description of the video below. Now those two fuses are 7 and 8 for the traction control. But then we have a small fuse number 5. This is for the traction control as well. And let me grab some small pliers. Okay, so we can go ahead and pull this one out as well to check it out, because this one you cannot see if it's good or if it's not. Okay, in my case I will not be able to get the pliers. I'll use the small screwdriver. To pry that. The other fuses are super easy to replace, but those, as you can see, they're not so easy. Okay, on the other ones you can use that clip. On this one you cannot because it's in the box, so it's really hard to get to. So the fuse spool will not work there. This is it guys, this is the fuse. Now if that fuse is burnt, okay, let me put some light on it. Okay, you can see the element inside. In our case it's not blown, so this is good. Otherwise it will be blown and you need to replace it. When you're ready to install it, okay, all we have to do, push it down, align everything, super good. Okay, in our case I need to lift it up a little bit. Okay, push it all the way in. Don't forget to close your cover now here. And do not forget to install your engine fuse cover as well. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.